What the f is going on with the stock market right now? If you're anyone on the internet, you're probably wondering what the heck is going on with Gamestop. Why is the stock up 1,000% the past week? Why are hedge funds going to war against Reddit? Well, look no further, I'm going to explain it to you in simple terms. So if you haven't heard of Wallstreetbets, it's a community on Reddit that is basically a bunch of idiots with too much money betting their life savings on stock options to basically get rich or go broke trying. Now, there are obviously some smart traders amongst them, but really it's basically a community of dimwits with a gambling addiction. So this community of simpletons has been becoming super popular lately because everyday idiots like you and me are posting their 6- and 7-figure gains while others are posting their 6- and 7-figure losses for all of us normies to see and either envy or pity. So it's obvious to see why this subreddit has become so popular. But what does this all have to do with GameStop? So Wallstreetbets got wind that hedge funds were shorting GameStop and AMC and a bunch of other stocks. So here's a quick explanation on how shorting works. Basically, you get money for a stock at one price, and then you buy back at another. So if you short a stock at $10, that stock's value goes down to $5, then you profit that $5. But if the stock's value goes up to $15, then you owe that $5. Wall Street is just one big gamble. So long story short, the Wallstreetbets community got wind that these hedge funds were shorting GameStop. So they got the entire subreddit community to band together to buy up all these shorted shares of GameStop to inflate the price, which is basically what hedge funds have been doing forever, but now the simpletons of Reddit have caught on. This ridiculous mass bandwagon buyback took the stock from like $40 to $400 in about a week. So imagine you're a hedge fund who shorted millions of shares at $40, expecting it to go down so that you could profit that difference times a million, when instead millions of retail traders on Robinhood and the like all pumped everything they could to push that stock price past $400, causing those hedge funds to literally lose billions of dollars overnight. And that's just one stock. They did this to AMC, to BlackBerry, to Sundial, Dogecoin, and like a dozen others. So right now, no one has any clue what to do because the middle-class retail traders have never had this much power before. And Wall Street is fighting back, and they are fighting back hard. Trading apps have suspended all trading of these stocks, so you're only allowed to sell, you're not allowed to buy. If you're thinking, Travis, that doesn't sound right, they shouldn't be allowed to do that, well, you're absolutely right. So now everyone's pissed. Wall Street, Wallstreetbets, the Robinhood toilet tinkerers, all of them. Because for the first time ever, the normies beat Wall Street at their own game. Time will tell what will happen out of all this. There's talks of a class action lawsuits against Robinhood and other retail trading apps. I'm excited to see how this plays out, but then again, they are the money, and the money usually wins. I'll keep you guys updated as I learn more, but for now, keep making those tendies while you can.